Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie. I'm a full-time trader, but I'm also a mentor for struggling traders in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be an update on Bitcoin. We finally had some movement and gave me something to talk about. The sale on the course is going to end at the end of May. So if you're interested in learning how to trade these markets yourself, take advantage of that. Also, Thursday, the 30th of May, I am hosting a live stream inside the Discord. You can sign up for the free Discord and then also purchase a ticket for that. I'm going to be going in depth into Bitcoin, all of the altcoins, taking requests. Trust me, it will be worth your while. All right, let's get started. We are on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. The weekly looks beautiful. It has bounced off the 21 moving average, and we had a nice bullish candle to the upside. What we don't want to see happen this week is closing a reversal candle. We want Bitcoin to push to the upside and give us more of a body on this candle. We don't want to leave a small body with a big wick. In the RSI on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin bounced off of the 60, which is beautiful. On the 4-day time frame, it's the same thing. We do not want to see this candle close as a reversal candle. As far as RSI, it bounced off of the 50, which is also beautiful. It is now above the 21. It needs to remain there. Let's talk about the daily time frame a little. We want to see Bitcoin hold above its 21 and its 50 moving average. RSI, we've had this pivot at 70, which is a bullish rejection zone. We want to see RSI turn and continue to the upside. On the daily time frame, the goal is for RSI to get above this red zone. Okay, so let's talk about the bull and the bear scenarios on the larger time frame. The bull scenario on the larger time frame is that we do not want Bitcoin to take out this wick low. We want Bitcoin to continue to the upside and make an impulse wave here. We will talk about that when we get on the lower time frame. If Bitcoin fails and it were to come deeper to the downside, we do not want Bitcoin taking out this correction. That would be a complete market structure break and would be the end of upside. Now, the better scenario, like I said, is that Bitcoin holds this wick low. Some traders would call a market structure break the break of this wick low, but a complete market structure break would be breaking this correction. As long as Bitcoin can continue to the upside, correct, not breaking prior correction, push to the upside, correct, not breaking prior correction, that is what we need to see from this point forward. Now, the bear scenario is that Bitcoin will be coming up into what we call the expanded B pocket. What that means is that this leg to the downside was an A wave. That this whole rally has been an ABC corrective structure, and that it's putting in a B wave. And that here soon, either now or after one more push to the upside, it's going to come to the downside and put in a C leg that either is going to hold a higher low and protect this A wave, or it's going to come deeper and take this A wave out. Now, if Bitcoin pushes to the upside, we will print reversal divergence here. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to tank to the downside. It just means that Bitcoin will correct. But when it does, we want to see a correction that doesn't take out this one. It either needs to use it as support and continue to the upside or correct above it. Coming through this correction will be our clue that this C wave is happening. So let's talk about the bull scenario and the bear scenario on the lower time frame. The bull scenario first is that we want to see Bitcoin complete this impulse wave in blue. That means that Bitcoin must hold this correction, push to the upside with a fifth wave up to the 1.618, put in its third wave, pull back for a fourth wave, not breaking this correction, and then push up for an additional fifth wave up to the 2.236. Bitcoin needs to prove that it's an impulse wave. As of it right now, it's not. And coming through this correction will prove that bear scenario is happening. If Bitcoin can make this impulse wave, then we want to see it correct on top of the all-time high so that it can continue bullishly. Bear scenario is that this was just an ABC rally. That here soon it's going to come through this correction and prove that. It means that this entire correction is going to get a partner over on this side. Now, it doesn't mean that it has to come extremely deep. It can do this sideways and hold this prior correction. If it decides that it's not going to go sideways and it's going to come deeper, we could get a C wave here that comes deep down to the lower support area. This is the area that must hold. Breaking this area is going to break market structure. But hopefully Bitcoin, if it's breaking down, can put in a sideways partner. So it's as simple as that. Think about the live stream, think about the course, and I will see you in the next one.